Hey, welcome back to Afternoon Woodworks. Just finished a project this morning. This is a watch box, obviously. It's made on the Glowforge. You can see you've got this finger joint here made. And a special call out to Gypsy Crafter Store, who created this design and actually modified it for me. She originally had it just without the top, which I thought was really nice, but I wanted a top to create a little bit of protection for the watches, and she did a great job. This design will be available on her store, and I will link that below. This is made out of mahogany plywood, which you can get. Craft Closet is where I got it. Very, very good product. I'll link that as well. And you can see I added my initials. That's through a monogram generator out on the web. Drops an SVG, just add that. Very simple, simple to do. A couple things I've tried for the first time here, or I should say one thing I've tried for the first time, is flocking. And that was a lot of fun. I think that dressed it up a lot. You could see on the edges here, and then within each compartment that is flocked. And I'll link this below as well. Amazon purchase. It is a paint that you apply, and then you shoot on a suede fibers, let it dry for 12 hours, and very easy to do. So where you apply the paint is where the fibers stay. So just be cognizant of that. Pretty simple. I applied one coat of Osmo to it to match some of the other things I have in my office. And I think it turned out pretty nice. So 6 watch box, and you can get that file below and make your own on the Glowforge or any other laser cutter. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope this inspired you to get out in the shop and make something.